News coming in right now. Delhi cabinet has given the nod for Mahila Samman scheme. Rupees 5,100 crore granted for Mahila Samman scheme. Delhi Chief Minister thanks Prime Minister Modi and the people of Delhi. BJP Chief JP Nadda congratulates Delhi Chief Minister for the monumental move. Nadda says that the scheme will be rolled out very soon. What we're also learning is that it could also be followed with the implementation of the Ujjwala Yojana scheme in Delhi, and it's one of the big poll promises that the Bharatiya Janata Party had made ahead of the elections in the national capital. And now, on the day of Women's Day, a big announcement coming from the Delhi government.
इस संगठन की सोच को मैं सलाम करती हूँ। कुछ लोग, कुछ सरकारें केवल बातें करते थे, महिला अधिकार, महिला सम्मान, पर उन्होंने कभी कुछ किया नहीं। कभी महिला, मैंने वो भी समय देखा है जब आदरणीय इंदिरा गांधी जी प्रधानमंत्री होती थी, परंतु उनकी कैबिनेट में किसी दूसरी महिला का स्थान नहीं था। उनकी पार्टी में कोई महिला कभी उभर नहीं पाई। बाकी संगठनों में भी ये जो आम आदमी पार्टी सरकार के लोग कहते हैं, इन्होंने अपनी ही सांसद को घर बुला के उसका अपमान किया, उसके साथ बुरा व्यवहार किया, और न जाने ऐसे कितने ही किस्से हैं जो अलग अलग संगठनों के हमने सुने हैं। पर एकमात्र संगठन, एकमात्र पार्टी मैंने देखी जो कहा, जो सोचा वो करके दिखाया। ना केवल वुमेन लेड डेवलपमेंट की बात करी, बल्कि वुमेन लेड गवर्नमेंट के वाक्य को यथार्थ में परिवर्तित किया।
बहुत ही कम दिनों पहले ही आप आपदा से छूटे हैं। आपको इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत बधाई। जिस प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री निवास में महिला सुरक्षित न हो, तो वहां दिल्ली कहां सुरक्षित होती। आज हम गौरव के साथ कह सकते हैं कि महिला मुख्यमंत्री के नेतृत्व में आज दिल्ली सुरक्षित हो गई है। इस बात की हमको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए। उसी तरीके से मैं ये भी आपको बताना चाहता हूं, अब उनका नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूं क्योंकि दिल्ली की जनता ने उनको हरा तो दिया ही, विधानसभा में भी नहीं पहुंचने दिया, लेकिन वो बोला करते थे कि ये काम चलाऊ मुख्यमंत्री है, काम चलाऊ। अपने खुद बने हुए थे मियां मिट्ठू, उनको भी दिल्ली की जनता ने सबक सिखा दिया है। और मोदी जी ने काम चलाऊ नहीं बल्कि टिकाऊ मुख्यमंत्री महिला को देकर के आपको बताया गया है कि किस तरीके से महिलाओं का सशक्तिकरण हो रहा है।
Let me go across to Anmol Bali, my colleague who's tracking the story for us. Anmol, rupees 2,500 a month for women that have that don't have financial freedom, so to say. This was the big move that everyone wanted the BJP, or let's say this was the big test for the BJP, because this is again something that was time and again pointed out by the Aam Aadmi Party ever since they lost the elections, that will they be doing this? Where is the 2,500 rupee promise that the BJP had made prior to the elections? Now that announcement is coming, tell us what sort of message does this send across?
Harshit, as you know, in the Delhi Assembly election, the high decibel battle between the Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party, where it was seen that both political parties have made promises for financial aid to poor women in the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party has said 2,100 rupees as a financial aid to poor women, and on the other hand, Bharatiya Janata Party announced Mahila Samriddhi Yojana as 2,500 rupees financial help to the women living in the national capital. As the Bharatiya Janata Party has formed their government today, they held a cabinet meeting at the secretariat around 11 a.m. where they have allocated around 5,100 crore rupees budget for the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana, where rupees 2,500 rupees per month will be provided to poor women as in financial support. Those whose income is less than 3 lakh rupees, those who are under the below poverty line. Today it was also seen that Atishi Malina, leader of opposition in Delhi Vidhan Sabha, also attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party. She questioned and asked Bharatiya Janata Party to provide 2,500 rupees financial aid as you have promised before the election. And BJP today has rolled out their scheme. Soon they will launch a website, and Chief Minister has also discussed that they have made a team of 3 cabinet ministers under Parvesh Verma, under Chief Minister Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood and Kapil Mishra. Those who will be looking at the transparency methods to distribute 2,500 rupees to women living in the national capital. So soon we will see they will roll out a website for the registration and other works for this scheme. Harshit.
Anmol, thank you so much for bringing us all those details.